Welcome to your VPC online tool. This is the homepage which you can return to at any time. From here you can select to search for a project, create a new project, or look at some examples. We will start by selecting examples to introduce you to the tool. By clicking on the project name, you can select the project you want to look at. This is the value proposition grid, which is your project from a customer perspective. It consists of your opportunity, target, insight and alternatives, and your offer, benefit, reason to believe and superiority. Simply clicking this tab takes you to the business rationale sheet. The business rationale is your project from a more internal Philips perspective. The business rationale consists of 6 sections: context, opportunity and offering, key enablers, scenarios and risks. Both the value proposition grid and the business rationale sheet can be exported in a new tab like so. Now let's look at how to edit a project. On the main menu bar, select Projects, which takes you to the project list page. The first list is My Projects, which are projects you have created. We will edit My Test Project by clicking on the name and then selecting Edit to be in edit mode. Clicking on the box will take you to the workspace where you are able to enter and edit text in that box. In your workspace, you have the text entry box, which you can type into. When you have saved it, the contents will be displayed in the value proposition grid or business rationale sheet. You also have a notepad for initial thoughts and suggestions. You can look at examples and a video, as well as attaching documents if you want. When you first enter the workspace, the instructions will be displayed in the text entry box. But when you start typing, you need to click on the Instructions button to display them. The Instructions window can be moved around and you can type while still displaying them. Always save your work. If you leave this page without saving your work, it will be lost. The Business Rationale workspace works in a similar way. Another feature of the VPC online tool is the VP tree. To go to the VP tree, you simply click on the VP tree button in the main menu bar. This is an expandable tree that shows the structure of Philips and displays the value proposition projects on the different branches. To expand a branch, simply click on the name if there is an arrow indicating that there is a lower level. If for some reason your business area is not on the tree, send a suggestion in the box to the admin, who will be able to update the tree. On the tree, the balloons show the different types of projects. Green are your projects that you have created. Yellow are projects that have been shared with you as part of a team. Red are projects that have been shared with everybody. And blue are example projects. This is linked to your project list page. Also on this page you have a tab for My Projects, Shared Projects and Examples. Also on your project list page are icons to edit, to see a concept view, delete and copy a project. To create a new project, click on Projects in the main menu and click Create Project. Then fill in your new project details and tick the place where you would like your project to sit on the VP tree. Then you must click Save. This will then take you to the value proposition grid for your new project, and you can start entering into the value proposition grid or the business rationale sheet by clicking on the box you want to work on. When you have created a project, you can give the other people access to it by selecting Details. Here you can give individual users access to your project. There are two types of access. Can view. This means they can see the value proposition grid and business rationale worksheet and export them, but they cannot change anything on the project, so they do not have access to the workspace. Can edit. This means they can edit the project, so we'll be able to make changes to the project and attach documents, etc. And they do have full access to the workspace. This page also allows you to update any of your project details, including where it sits on the VP tree. You can attach supporting documents by clicking the paperclip. Click Browse and then select the file you would like to attach. Then click Save. When a document is attached, an icon will indicate that there is an attachment. This attachment can also be viewed by anyone you have given viewing access to. There are also some special attachments like the claims roadmap, IPM, and the financial spreadsheet. For these, you can download a template and fill it in and save your completed attachment. These are found in the Reason to Believe workspace from the VP grid and the Scenarios workspace in the Business Rationale. There are two links here to the Community Practice and Phillips University. For technical help, select the Help option. To help you locate where you are in the tool at any time, there are breadcrumbs at the top of the page, which are also clickable in order to navigate around. Also, at any time, you can return back to the home page by clicking Home. That's the end of our Quick Start tutorial to the VPC tool. We hope you enjoy building value propositions and business rationales.